Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I hope so you all are doing good. Today we are going to start the chapter The Jewelfish, given on page number 59 of Understand and Communicate Book 3. Chapter The Jewelfish is an informative chapter which gives us information about jewelfish. It tells us that how they tend their young ones and how they put their young ones to bed. Now open page number 59 of your Understand and Communicate and let's start reading the chapter. The iridescent, brilliant blue spots in the red darkness of the dorsal fin play a special role when the female jewelfish is putting her babies to bed. Iridescent means showing luminous colors that seem to change when seen from different angles. And dorsal means back, and brilliant means bright. The bright spots which are on the dorsal fin of the female jewelfish play a special or an important role when putting the young ones to bed. She jerks her fin rapidly up and down, making the jewels flash like a heliograph. Jerks mean to move. So she moves her fin, the dorsal fin, fastly up and down, making the jewels flash like a heliograph. Heliograph is a signaling machine by which sunlight is reflected in flashes from a movable mirror. So her dorsal fin looks like a heliograph, and the mother jewelfish, signals her children by moving her fin or jerking her fin fastly up and down. At this, the young congregate under the mother and obediently descend into the nesting hole. Congregate means to come together into a group. So when the young ones see the signal given by their mother, they gather under their mother and obediently descend. Descend means to go down into the nesting hole. Nesting, a place to take rest. The father in the meantime searches the whole tank for stragglers. Straggler is a person in a group who becomes separated from the others, typically because of moving slowly. And in this case, we are talking about the baby fish. He does not coax them along, but simply inhales them into his roomy mouth, swims to the nest and blows them into the hollow. Coax means to persuade or force gently someone to do something. So the father fish does not persuade or force the children to go to bed. He just simply inhales. Inhales means he just simply breathes in his babies into his roomy. Roomy means spacious, with a plenty of space. Roomy or spacious mouth. So he inhales or breathes in his babies into his mouth, spacious mouth, and swims to the nest and blows them into the hollow. The baby sinks at once heavily to the bottom and remains lying there. By an ingenious arrangement of reflexes, the swim bladders of the young sleeping cichlids contract so strongly that the tiny fish become much heavier than water and remain like little stones lying in the hollow, just as they did in their earliest childhood before their swim bladder was filled with gas. Ingenious mean clever, creative. By ingenious arrangement of reflexes. Reflexes are the automatic actions that your body does in response to something. So, by an ingenious arrangement of reflexes, the swim bladders of young sleeping cichlids. Swim bladder, also known as air bladder, is present in fish to help it to maintain its depth without floating upward or sinking. The swim bladders of young sleeping cichlids. Cichlid is a family of fish which is also known as aquarium fish, the fish which can be kept in aquariums. The swim bladders of young sleeping cichlids contract so strongly that the tiny fish become much heavier than water and remain like little stones. When the father inhales the baby in its mouth and drops it or blows it into the nesting hole, the swim bladders of sleeping cichlids contract so strongly that they become heavier and look like little stones lying in the hollow, just as they did in their earliest childhood before their swim bladder was filled with gas. The same reaction of becoming heavy is also elicited when a parent fish takes a young one in its mouth. Same reflex action is activated or is drawn out when the parent fish takes a young one in its mouth. So same action, same reflex action is activated when a parent jewelfish carries the baby in its mouth. Without this reflex mechanism, it would be impossible for the father when he gathers up his children in the evening to keep them together. If this reflex action was not present in the young cichlids, it would not be possible for the father to gather its young ones and to keep them together.